Okay, so this video is actually of my dad's JK that he's trying to sell. I had a couple people ask for video footage, so I thought I'd just go ahead and put it up here on YouTube so I can share it that way. It's a sweet rig, 07 JK, 1-ton axle swap. It's really clean, really nice, so enjoy this one. Okay, we're taking the JK out for some highway driving on the pavement. We'll let you see how it runs out on the road. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting probably, but you've got Bluetooth radio with a speaker up here for your phone. We've got heat and AC. You've got your locker controls down here, including your compressor. Automatic transmission, transfer case shifter, e-brake, cup holders for all your cold snacks. We've got power windows, power locks, all of that's working. We've got some aftermarket grab handles both in the front and in the back for passengers back there. There's a sound bar up here with a cargo light in it. And we'll get going up the road here. Let's see, right now we're doing about 50 up this little country lane. The Jeep rides nice. It's not super rough, it rides smooth. The noise in the cab is good. There is some tire noise, but we are running 40s on it right now. But as far as noise in the cab, it's very acceptable. And we've got a rear window down. I didn't even notice that. Okay, we're up just over 60 now. Let's see if I can get that gauge on there. Okay, so cruising up this road just over 60. You can see the Jeep handles well. She rides smooth. No death wobble. Not a bunch of craziness going on in the front end handling. The Jeep brakes really well. It's got 4-corner disc brakes. The brakes are very smooth. No chatter, no chop. She stops nice. Okay, so there's a little sample of how she drives on the road and how she handles on the pavement. So you definitely could drive this thing about. And next we'll get you some good up-close footage of the outside of this thing, underneath and all around. Okay, we'll start off. It's a 2007 JK. I'll give you a little walk around of the whole thing, and then we'll come back to the front and we'll talk about suspension, steering, and everything that's going on up there. Okay, Brian's here. The legendary Bobzilla's here. Bobzilla's gonna tell us what he's got going on here.
Okay, you got 39.5 IROC Swampers on it, bias tires right now.
Okay.
So they'll ride a little rough because they're bias tires, not radials.
What size wheel we've got? We got
You got
17.
17-inch wheels.
Okay.
And those are wheel racing wheels?
Pro comp.
Pro comps.
Pro comp. Steel wheels. You got Rubicon Express long arms, extreme long arms on the front and rear with Fox 2.0 shocks, Rubicon Express 3.5 progressive rate coils on all four. You got what are these Smitty built?
Fender liners.
Inner fender liners.
Okay.
The fenders are.
These fenders are nice. Yeah.
The fenders are Genrite. Genrite aluminum fenders.
Genrite aluminum fenders. These things look nice, you guys, too. Front and back. They're very nice. Okay.
And then on the front, we've redone the whole front end with the lengthened the track bar, made it longer. I think originally they're like 31 inches. I think this one's about 36-inch track bar, modified to go around the diff, so you don't hit anything up there.
Okay.
And all this is all DOM, 1/4-inch DOM tie rods and stuff. This is a Ford, like a 99 Ford, or 90, I think it's 92. Kingpin front, Dana 60 all trussed and everything. That's
Very
in
nice.
a Kingpin front end.
Okay.
And then I've got rough stuff, track bar relocation brackets on it
Okay.
to get rid of the bump steer type stuff
Right.
and everything. And then extended Terraflex bump
Bump
stops
stops.
inside of these pucks inside here, inside of the coils.
All right.
It's a stock Pitman arm. Stock Pitman arm, not a drop Pitman arm. So,
Gotcha.
yeah.
All right.
And you got the big disc brakes on. You got hubs on there. It's got mile marker hubs on it.
Manual locking. Mile marker hubs. You got the long arms on the back. You got sliders down the side.
Sliders down the side, and you got a rear end is GM like 2002 Web 14 bolt. Full floating rear axle.
Curry, anti-rock.
513 gears front and rear. 513 gears with ARB front and rear. Nitro cover. The ABS sensors, Artec dual ABS sensors on the rear wheels, on the rear hubs.
Discs in the back.
On that. I just put a brand new ARB seal housing in the rear, and it's got brand new gears, Yukon gears, and the ring and pinion
Okay.
all redone.
Did you already tell us what the gear ratio was?
Yeah, 513.
513.
513 gear ratio. You do have Curry anti-lock sway bars. I've got the front one off right now, but I've got the front sway bars for it that go with it. So
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Well, let's look at the engine. So this is a brand new Jasper.
Brand new Jasper 3.8 engine with a brand new ATS 42 RLE
Okay.
transmission, automatic transmission under warranty. Both units, both the engine and transmission under warranty.
The Jeep's got 50,000 miles total on the Jeep itself. Engine and tranny are new, under warranty. Okay.
Yeah, and this is all done, so it won't hit the diff cover or anything. It's been re-referenced. JKR modified to go around.
Okay.
Pumpkin.
So yeah, so
It's
basically
over the pumpkin. On a 44, it's over the pumpkin. On this, I put it out in front.
what he's getting at is as you flex this thing out, these bars are all custom placed and bent so that you don't get any interference with this big front end. Oh yeah.
This
So the front diff has this guard underneath tied into the truss system. Here's your long arm here. Okay, radiator. We're coming under the front diff now.
Transmission cooler. I put a tranny cooler on the seat.
All right, you've got front of the engine oil pan, dampener, scooting right back here. Got some engine mounts here, exhaust, engine, tranny. Yeah, as you can see, it's clean, it's dry, it's in good shape, and it's been well taken care of. Everything looks good under here. Nice and dry. You got some custom color up there, maybe? Alright, we're scooting back. Gets a little tight in here, folks. Sorry. Okay, we got some skid plates coming up under the transfer case. Stock transfer case in it. Sorry, still skid plating. Okay. Here's your rear drive shaft coming right down. Floor pan is in good shape. I mean, as you can see, it hasn't been bashed in. No rust. This is a Western Colorado car, so you're not gonna get a bunch of that anyway, but okay, still scooting back here. We're coming up on our rear diff. I might have to scoot over so that I fit. All right, here you go. You've got your Fox shocks in the back as well. That is a good looking rear end. Trailer hitch. You can haul some sweet campers, maybe? Okay. There's some underneath footage. Hopefully that'll pan out and you can see something. I'm gonna get some more footage of the inside while I'm not actually sitting in it. So yeah, like I said, power windows, power locks, the stock interior. It does have a really nice Bluetooth radio, heat, AC. I showed you these inside earlier, your locker controls. It does have the little peep mirror up here in case you want to take your doors off in the summer, be super cool guy shit. That's hot bitch shit, right? Okay. Back seat. You've got a full bench in here. We've got some cup holders in the back. Nice floor mats. I mean, it really is nice, right? You can be comfortable up in here.
Not heavy though.
All right, the back cargo area. Lots of room back here. Looks like you got a nice big speaker for some Cardi B. Hey, I'll throw in the Pine Tree air freshener. What flavor are you getting? Let's see. Jasmine. You get jasmine? That's a good pick. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That is the JK for sale. It's located in Loma, Colorado. If you're interested, let me know. Shoot me a comment, and we can get you set up with Bobzilla. Or if you have any more questions, leave a comment, and I'll see what we can find for you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.